สวัสดีค่ะ Hi everyone. Let's make pork chop. Today we are cooking it in butter. Easy and delicious. Full recipe will be listed in the description box below. Let's take a look at the ingredients. I have my pork shoulder. It is recommended for you to use this part because it's much more tender. Sugar, soy sauce, pepper, oyster sauce, and garlic. We will marinate our pork in these. And now we put everything in. You want to marinate this in the fridge, covered for at least half an hour. It's been 1 hour that our pork has been sitting in the marinade, and now we're gonna start cooking. This needs to be done on a really low heat. Let this cook in the butter. Adding garlic make this smells really nice. You just need to check that the other side is done, and then you can flip this. If it's cooked like this, you can just cut it up so it can lay flat. We also need to check the thickest part of the meat to see if it's fully cooked. If there's no more blood left, you can then take this out. We pour the butter all over our pork chop. Thank you for watching. See you next time in the next Thai recipe video. Bye bye.